If you have never set up a cold email campaign before, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to create your first campaign using Lemlist from scratch. At the end of this video, you'll have a fully working campaign that can send emails, follow up automatically, and also start getting replies. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up for free and follow along. Now, let's dive in. So here's what we'll be building in this video. A cold email campaign with personalized messages and automated follow-ups. Think of it like a system that runs in the background and brings in leads. Once on lemlist.com, you're going to tap on Start a 14-day free trial. From there, you can enter in your email and sign up information. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you're going to go over to the bottom left-hand corner, tap on your profile name, then you're going to select Settings. After doing that, you're going to tap on Sending Settings and you're going to tap on Email. From here, you'll be able to connect your email account. You can connect up to 5 different email accounts. For example, you can see that I've connected my Gmail account. You can also connect your professional account, meaning your business accounts, and that is what I would recommend. But if you connected your Gmail account like myself here, once in Gmail and you tap on Compose, from now on, whenever you send an email, you will be able to track the open rate and you'll also be able to track if they have clicked on a link or so on. By simply tapping right here, you can toggle this on and you will be able to track that. So there are a few enhancements that you will get access to once you have signed up to Lemlist. So you can add in those, and you're also going to scroll down, and I recommend that you tap on Lincoln. From here, you'll see the option to add a Chrome extension. You're just going to tap there. Then it will carry you to a page like this, and you're going to tap on Add Chrome Extension. Once you have added the Chrome extension, from now on, whenever you go onto Lincoln, you're going to see the Lemlist icon on the right hand menu option right here. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to do searches and you'll be able to add profiles quickly to your different campaigns and so on. So this is a standout feature that I definitely recommend that you add. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on the X. Next thing I would recommend you do, it is not compulsory, but I would recommend it for a higher open rate. So you go over to the top left hand corner, tap on Lemlist, and you're going to select Lemwarm. Lemwarm is a feature that allows Lemlist to warm up your email. By warming up email, I mean that they'll basically send emails behind the scenes that helps to build trust with your particular email address and the email providers. By doing this, this will help to ensure that your emails end up in the correct inbox instead of spam. So this is a good option, but keep in mind that this is a paid option, but you can use it if you want to increase your open rate and also your delivery rate. Once you're finished doing that, if that is the case, you can simply go back. Then you're going to tap on Campaigns. After selecting Campaigns, you're going to tap on Create Campaign. From here, you'll be able to create your first campaign. You have 3 options. You can either choose to create with AI, create manually, which we will be doing, or you can tap on Start with Templates. And if you were to tap on Start with Templates, you can see different templates that you can choose from. And one of the standout features when it comes onto Lemlist, you can do multi-channel outreach. This means that if we were to tap on multi-channel right here, we can see that you can, once someone visits your LinkedIn account, you'll be able to send a LinkedIn invitation. Then you'll be able to follow up with an email. And from there, you'll be able to choose if they have opened your email. For example, you can see right there, and you can add in different options right here. But this is just an example of the multi-channels that you can reach out on. With Lemlist, you also get access to WhatsApp, so you can set up calls and so on. But we're going to be doing it manually, so I'm just going to tap on Campaigns, and I'm going to tap on Create Campaign, and I'm going to tap on Create Manually. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Email, and from here, you can customize your first email. So you can tap here, choose the email address you want to use. After you have selected the email address, you can add in the subject. Then you can write out your email right here. For example, here's a quick email that I composed. And a standout feature when it comes onto Lemlist is you can add personalization. So for example, I could tap right here after hey, And let's say, for example, I would like to add in their first name. So I can tap right there, scroll down, and you're going to see the option Add Personalization. You'll tap right there, select first name. After you have selected first name, you can see it has been added. And then I'm going to tap right here, and I'm going to tap on Add Personalization once more, and I'm going to add in the company name. So even though you will be sending the email to, for example, let's say 100 different persons, it will personalize it by adding their first name and their company name. And you can also see other personalizations that you could add in if you want. So this is definitely a standout feature. With Lemlist, you could also tap on medias. From here, you'll be able to send personalized images, as you can see right here. You can also add in custom landing pages. Keep in mind, a few of these features you'll need to be on the paid option. But if you're serious about email marketing, it is definitely a no-brainer investing in Lemlist. So you can do that if you want. Once you're finished composing your email, what I would recommend you do is tap on the plus once more. After you have tapped on the plus, this is where you'll be able to add follow-up emails. As a lot of persons don't tend to respond to the first email, so you'll tap on email and you're going to tap right here. Then you can choose the waiting period, whether it would be 1 day or 2 day. You can tap there and you can edit that. Then you're just going to add in the second email right here. So you can type in your second email, and again you can add in your personalization and so on. And you'll be able to monitor it to see if persons have clicked on the link or so on. You can also tap on the plus, then you will select conditions. After you have selected conditions, you can scroll down and you can see the option clicked on link. You can tap right there, or you can use the Lemcall option if it is a case that you would like them to book a meeting with you. You can see different options that you can choose from. So these are the different conditions or end results that you want. You can select whichever one of these options you want. So that's how you'll be able to set up a follow-up and so on. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on lead list, and you have a few options. We'll tap on import new leads. You can either choose to use the Lemlist people database, or you can tap on CSV import if you already have a list that you would like to add. So you have different options. Let's say, for example, we would like to use the people database. After selecting the people database, from there you can search by company. You could also search by company industry, or to get full access to the people database, what I would recommend you do is simply close out. It will save the campaign, as you can see right there. It automatically be saved. You'll just tap on people database from the top left hand corner. From there you can choose either people or company, and here you'll get all of the different filters that you can apply. And again, you can search by company website URL, so you could paste in the website right there. So let's say I were to quickly add in, let's say ESPN. Let me do that real quick, just for example's sake. I could simply copy the URL, then paste in the URL right here. Tap on enter. After you have done that, you'll give it a few seconds, and you can see that it has been populated. After it has done that, you can also use different filters. So you could scroll up, and from there you can choose by company country. So you can tap right there, and let's say it's a company that has different branches. We could select United States. Then you can also choose by, for example, the particular department that you would like to target or so on. You have different options that you can choose from, as you can see right there. I could select department, then from there I could scroll down, and let's say I would like to target the marketing department. And you can see that it has filtered ESPN, which is such a large company with numerous branches. It has filtered it down to now 5 persons, as you can see right here. And these 5 persons are the persons that are in the marketing department. So if it is a case that I would like to reach out to, for example, get a potential job for marketing or so on, when it comes on to ESPN, these are the persons that I would like to contact. Now all I would need to do is tap right here, then I'll tap on push 5 to leads, or we're just going to tap on push the campaign. Then you're going to see the option verified emails. You can also get verified phone numbers. Then you'll tap on push, and you can see right there it has successfully been added. Then you'll go back, you'll tap on campaigns. After you have done that, you're just going to select your campaign that you have created. Select lead list. You can see that they have been added right there, and you can see the verified emails are being added. Then you'll tap on launch. After you have selected launch, you can go down to the bottom left hand corner and you're just going to tap on launch, and that's it. That's how you'll be able to start your email marketing outreach using Lemlist. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know. And by the way, when it comes on to the pricing, real quick, while you can get started for completely free, you can see that their email outreach program starts at $79 per month. If it is a case that you like to do multi-channel outreach, it would cost $109. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up, and thanks for supporting the channel.